Would you prefer some meat that has 1% fat or some meat that is 99% fat-free? Of course, the two options are equivalent, but people have a strong preference for the 99% fat-free. In fact, when people are asked, would you prefer some meat with 1% fat or 98% fat-free, people will choose the 98% fat-free, so the one with more fat. My name is Giuseppe Conti, I'm a business school professor and the founder of Conti Advanced Business Learning, a company that specializes in negotiation and influencing. The example that we just listened is an example of the application of the framing effect. So how do we present the information in a way that is more likely to influence our counterpart? And we see plenty of application in our private or business life. For instance, when you want to buy a financial product from your bank, then be sure that the reference they've chosen and the number of years are chosen to maximize the performance of that product. In the corporate world, the words are carefully chosen. A problem becomes an opportunity. An acquisition that was overpaid becomes goodwill. And also, you, in your communication with your counterpart, can use the framing effect. Let's imagine that you want to persuade your boss to send you to a negotiation workshop. Then what you want to do is highlight the value for them rather than the benefits for you. So you're likely to say to your boss, well, if you send me to Giuseppe's strategic negotiation masterclass, I will be able to deliver stronger results. So to summarize, if you want to apply the framing effect to be more influential, then 3 ideas that I want you to retain. Focus on what the counterpart's needs and wants, use an appropriate reference or benchmark, present a problem as an opportunity. For more insights on negotiation and influencing, check our website, www.cabl.ch. Thank you.